Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this really lovely 1973 Mgb Roadster. It's finished in Damask red with a beige interior. It's produced in, I think it was kind of late 72, but sold as a 73. This is a pretty spectacular car, cosmetically and mechanically. We bought it from, I believe, in the Midwest somewhere. The previous owner had spent quite a fortune and lots of love on this car. Paintwork is exceptional. No one paints an Mgb to this standard, but this guy must have found a painter that just went all out, because the paint and body on this car is really just stunning. You can see the quality of this paint. It's just color sanded and buffed. I'm sure it's a bare metal job, and it just presents just beautifully fresh. All the chrome's new. It's fitted with alloy wheels, 4-speed transmission. Mechanically just exceptional. You can see just before this walk around, I took it for a drive around the streets here, and it is just a great performer. So this is by far the best Mgb we've had all year, cosmetically and mechanically. Truly just a stunner. So you can look at the still photos and just see the quality of the paintwork. So yeah, it's really lovely car. All new interior, new windshield, trim, carpets, seats. Seats are vinyl, but they do have a leather look. But I'm sure he bought these kits like in the UK, because they're just beautiful, spot on Mgb seat kits. So dash is really lovely. I'll show you the door panels here. This was all professionally reupholstered and done. Carpets are new. Seats, new black top, new beige tonneau soft top boot there. I'll show you the trunk. The trunk has the upgraded carpet kit, which is real nice, so your things don't go rattling around in the trunk. Books. There's a set of black floor mats there, which are nice with those fair carpets. Receipts for all of the restorations here, all the restoration work. So, you know, it's a lovely Mgb. If you're looking for a much nicer than average Mgb as far as paintwork and trim, this is the car here. It's just kind of a no expense spared, full cosmetic restoration on a very lovely car. Great undercarriage, and these wheels are magnificent. These alloys are really lovely. Set the car off nicely. Fresh tires, runs, drives, stop, steers, just excellent. Good gearbox, great engine. I think it sounds like it's got a newer exhaust system fitted, but yeah, truly lovely car. It's a 73 Mgb Roadster. It's finished in this nice dark burgundy color called Damask red, and it's fitted with a beige or a tan interior, black soft top, beige soft top boot. It's a 4-speed, alloy wheels. It's a stunning car, and it's for sale right now on our website at www.kurttannermotorcars.com.